Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kaylee and I do a ton of cleaning motivation videos. But today's video is super special because I don't think I've ever done an hour power hour clean with me type of video before. So I am going to be doing something where I only have like an hour before guests get here or something like that. So I think it'll be really entertaining, and also I love putting myself on a time crunch, so this will be very, very motivating, so make sure you stick around to the end. Hello! Say hi! And of course Dixie's gonna be in the video. People love her so much. She's 4 pounds and 2 ounces now. She looks really big, but I don't know. This is her now. I'm looking in the viewfinder to make sure that she's in focus, but she's just a perfect little girl. Oh, and by the way, today's video is sponsored by Personal Planner, so thank you Personal Planner for sponsoring today's video. That's amazing. And I'm going to show you how I personalize my own planner, which is bomb because I can never find the exact one that I want in the store. So anyway, we're going to get to cleaning. I do have to change because I have jeans on, and that's not realistic for me. You guys know I'm always in sweats or shorts or something like that, but we need my hair up. It'll do. Okay, we are starting in my bedroom. So I'm going to get the timer, and my phone's at 3%, so I need to put it on the charger. Okay, so I have it on 1 hour. Let's start.
If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, for sure it's so funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better, and every day's like a weekend. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like oh, 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 oh. You see, we just act a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like oh, 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 oh. Got the boombox blasting and we're just laughing. The neighbors try to shut us down, but you know they can't blame us for acting shameless. Now we just like to have some fun. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight before we all grow old. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like oh, 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 oh. You see, we just like a little crazy, and we're following our heartbeats. We don't wanna be like oh, 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 oh. Don't wanna be like don't wanna act like don't wanna be like don't wanna act like and I know that I'm just wasting time, but I don't wanna let it go. I don't wanna let it go. And I know that I might not be fine, but I will never let it go. No, I will never let it go. So don't tell me how I should be. How I should. All we want is to be free. We don't wanna be like oh, 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 oh.
Alright, so I'm going to show you my personal planner, but first I just want to tell you about the company a little bit. They are a Swedish planner company that produces and sells customizable planners and planner accessories online. There's a set price no matter which one you choose. You also get free stickers and free worldwide shipping. You can have them insert personal dates like birthdays and anniversaries. The quality of these planners are, in my eyes, perfect. The paper quality is amazing. It's extremely easy to write on. The gel pens work amazing on all of these planners, which I have really fun colored ones from them. My absolute favorite thing about this planner and the company is I designed all the way to the ruler color that it comes with, front to back and everything in between. I even started on the exact month that I wanted to. This is even great if you have younger children and a lot of kids like in middle school. I started using a planner in middle school. And especially if like you're in sports, you can customize a column just for all your activities that you have going on. These are the stickers that I decided to pick out. They're really cute. I love the neutral colors, but I also love these as well. And I'm obsessed with these little banner things. So I did the same thing for my two little planners here. You can do the front and the back, by the way. You can completely customize it. So this one I'm starting in 2021, and I'm going to show you what these look like. So this one has the 12 months, just a giant overview of what I have to do or if I have videos scheduled and whatnot. And then I planned this one to start in October of 2020 and then all the way through the whole 2021. But I did Monday through Sunday, and I have like 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. the times through every single day, which I really, really like that. And then I put a block down here to where I can write things that I need to do or if I have an appointment or something. And then down here I put this week's dinner, Monday through Friday. And then I have like little extra places where I can write. So this one is really cool, and I can take it with me at all times. And this also has the overview of each month as well. And then at the very end back here, I have 12 sheets of the monthly goals, and then right here I have a year of tracking. So I have a bunch of different trackers that I can do. So say I wanted to keep track of my YouTube videos and how many times I've uploaded, and then I also put a budget planner in here. And then going back over here, I have the budget planner in this one as well, and my monthly goals, and then the rest of it is just straight up lined paper. When I'm working on my YouTube videos, I like to sketch out a lot of things, so this is going to be really convenient for me. And then I also created this desk one, which you can also hang up on the wall. But this one, I personally put a tab here for my channel, so Monday through Sunday. And then I have my to-do list, dinner plans, and then I like to keep track of my income. That way I know I'm not spending too much, because your girl likes decorations and I can go crazy. So that is pretty much it for the close-ups of these. I'm obsessed. These are amazing. You can completely customize them to whatever you want to do. I highly recommend. I'm going to leave the link down below in my description box, and make sure you use the code KayleePlans to get 15% off your entire order. Thank you again, Personal Planner, for sponsoring today's video.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation, but what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you. Here we go again, staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign.
Alright y'all, that is it for today's video. My timer ran out right after I got done vacuuming and I was exhausted. I was sweating really bad too, but I didn't have time to change. So I hope you enjoyed this power hour, and also don't forget to check out Personal Planner, and if you do, please leave a comment down below, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!
Let's go out, and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way.